Hello, 1 2 3 for mic testing. Hello, 1 2 3 for mic testing. If anyone is watching, please let me know if I'm audible. It's for everyone or for members only? This live is for everyone, members only. Public, right? Yes. Cyber World, hi, hello Cyber World, Pankaj, yes, Pankaj, thank you so much for the confirmation, and you are the member of PM Networking YouTube channel as well. I'm able to see. So thank you for the membership as well. Hi. Good evening. Good evening. First of all, happy friendship, guys. Happy friendship to everyone. You guys are my real motivation and my real friends, my subscribers, my students. So happy friendship to everyone, to every network engineers, right? Maybe you are the network engineer or just preparing for the network engineer. Happy friendship to you. And thank you so much for being a part of my journey on PM networking. Thank you. Everyone, happy friendship. 13 people are watching, 16 people are watching now, 16 people have joined. Guys, please hit on like button once. Please like the video, then we'll continue. This is general talk, right? This is my break series, work break series, right? Whenever I take break from my work, I love to share my knowledge, love to talk with my subscribers, with my students. So that's why I'm live here on YouTube. Even there is one announcement for you, the big announcement for those who want to learn networking from the zero and want to grow their career like never before. So there is one announcement for you, for those who want to learn networking from the scratch, from the zero. Yesterday I have started one new and fresh batch of Cisco SD-WAN. Many of you already know this. Still, we are getting messages on WhatsApp for the SD-WAN course. So guys, there is no logic, I think, now in joining, right? The introduction class has gone. In the introduction class, we are going to know each other. Even the session was live, but I don't know your scenario. If you are going to join now, you can learn the technology, there is no any doubt, right? But I will not get to know about your scenario, like what is your need. Abhishek, happy friendship day to you also. Thank you so much, Abhishek. Hi sir, thank you for sharing the train. Thank you so much, Arvind, for your appreciation and sharing your feedback. So whoever are sharing their feedback on PM networking, thank you so much, guys, right? If you are learning, if you are getting benefit from the videos, keep sharing your feedback, because I will create videos in future based on your feedback only, right? So training knowledge, I got good opportunity. Thank you so much, Arvind, for sharing. Yesterday only one student got placed in the Palo Alto just after watching the Palo Alto series on YouTube, right? So this is also one of my achievement here on the YouTube, and this is the reason why I'm uploading video on YouTube channel, guys, right? What I want people who can not purchase the paid course can also learn the networking from the channel, right? They just need to pay 89 rupees and anyone can afford it, and they can have access to the complete playlist. They can learn and they can also grow their career, right? They can also get job, clear interviews. This is the reason why I'm uploading video on my channel. Guys, only 2 likes are there. This is not fair. Please like the video first. After that, I will continue. Please like the video. I will wait for few minutes. Till then, requesting everyone to like the video once. 23 people are watching. If you are not my hater, if you are not the competitor, then please like the video. 18 people are there, right? So I know at least 15 are my students only, are my subscribers only. So guys, please like the video. Hi sir, I am planning to learn SD-WAN. Very good. But I haven't completed NP yet. Is NP required to learn SD-WAN? Yes, NP is required to learn SD-WAN, sir. Right? Even if you know the CCNA, if you have good command on the CCNA, then also you can learn SD-WAN, no problem, right? But if you are lacking in the CCNA, then SD-WAN is not for you. SD-WAN is for those who are already done with the traditional WAN, right? You should have idea about the GRE, about the IPsec, how two sides are going to establish the IPsec and those all things. I want only hands-on lab on Palo Alto and SD-WAN for practice. Is there any way to get this? You can set up your lab, Abhishek. You can use cloud for 1 month or hardly 2 months. It will be costly, I know. But for few months, you can have lab set up there over the cloud. Even if you are going to create your new account on the GCP, at free of cost, you can use their resources for 1 month, right? Whatever resources are required for the SD-WAN lab. And for the Palo Alto, you can set up it in your laptop, right? For the Palo Alto, you don't need anyone, others lab, right? Someone else lab. You can set up Palo Alto lab in your laptop as well. It will work properly. There is one video on my channel to set up Palo Alto firewall in EVNG. So go through that video, set up it and start practicing. For the SD-WAN, you can either use cloud, otherwise you have to purchase the rental lab, right, from the institute. We are not providing that service, right, but there are some other institutes who will give you the lab service for a specific time interval, right? For 1 week you can buy, and in 1 week you can practice everything for SD-WAN. So I think today here most of the people are my competitor haters, just joined for the fun because people are not liking the video. 21 people are watching, but only 5 likes are there. Can you teach CCNA foundation to start? We are still teaching CCNA. We are already teaching CCNA to start from the beginning. We have CCNA as well as combo course CCNA plus CCNP, where we'll take you from the basic to advanced level to the expert level. Combo will help you to complete the both course, combo course, in less time. If you are going to purchase the CCNA course first, then CCNP course, it can take 6 months, around 6 months. But in the combo, you can complete both in 4 months. CCNA full course available in YouTube or need to buy? See sir, no any full course is available in YouTube. No any full course is available on YouTube. Even the Palo Alto, if you are going to check the Palo Alto playlist, you will find the videos to configure Palo Alto firewall, right? That is the Palo Alto configuration playlist, not the Palo Alto course, right? You will not find the panorama video there, right? S3 architecture, you will not find there. Hello sir, I want to start CCNA from the scratch and understand it to more about networking. Yeah, CCNA is the starting point only. If you are going to start your learning from CCNA, that means you are starting from the zero only, from the beginning only. CCNA is Cisco Certified Network Associate. It is already associate level, where you are learning the fundamental, how enterprises network looks like, what are the components in enterprise network, right? CCNA and CCNP both are for enterprise network, right? Both will make you master in the enterprise network. Similarly, for the data center, we have dedicated course. For the service provider network, we have dedicated course, right? So if I will talk about the CCNA, so CCNA is already for beginner, for the freshers who want to learn networking from the scratch, from the zero. So guys, 29 people are watching, but only 9 likes are there. Please like the video. Just give me 1 minute. Till then, like the video, please. And if you have any question, please put in the comment section. I am doing CCNA and CCNP, Enterprise Advanced Routing Switching. How can I get lab for practice? You can set up lab in your laptop. You can set up lab in your laptop. You can set up lab in your laptop. Sir, what is the best for future, Palo Alto or SD-WAN? Both, brother. For the future, guys, CCNA, CCNP is mandatory. After that, SD-WAN and any one next generation firewall. So these 4 are mandatory for everyone. Mudur, hope it is clear, right? You have to go with Palo Alto as well as SD-WAN. Instead of Palo Alto, you can choose any next generation firewall. You can choose Fortigate, you can choose Checkpoint or Palo Alto. One out of these 3 firewall. You can choose any one out of these 3. How to learn Palo Alto from starting to future career interview to get into the network. See, to learn any course like you learn CCNA, similarly you will learn the Palo Alto also. Right? There is no any rocket science. There is no any rocket science. Like we learned CCNA, CCNP, similarly you will learn the Palo Alto as well. These are skills we need to learn and practice. Learn and practice. How's your son and you? And how are you, man? Now my son is fine, right? Still he is connected with the hospital, but now the things are getting better day by day. Thanks to God and you guys for your wishes. Thank you so much. What is the difference between CCNP security and CCI security? CCNP is professional level, CCI is expert level. What is the difference? You should ask difference between CCNP and CCIE, right? Like the same difference between CCNP enterprise and CCI enterprise. Same difference between CCNP security and CCI security. How to learn for Palo Alto from the starting? But in laptop, high CPU utilization. No, for Palo Alto firewall, not high CPU is required, and you can manage it. Even I am also using Palo Alto and Fortigate firewall in my local laptop. Even I have the servers, right? The very expensive server. The cost of my SD-WAN server is more than 10 lakhs, right? But the Palo Alto firewalls, Checkpoint firewall, Fortigate firewall, these all firewalls are running on my local laptop only, right? So laptop is sufficient for the Palo Alto setup. This is CCNA help to get cyber security study. Definitely it will help you to learn cyber security. In the cyber security also you have to learn first networking, and this is the best practice. If someone want to become a cyber security engineer, they should start with NA. It will be very, very, very helpful and very easy for you to understand the cyber security concept. I pray to God speed recovery of his health. You are an excellent trainer. Thank you so much, mine. Thank you so much, really, from bottom of my heart. Will all network simulator tool like EVNG etc. work in Ryzen 3 laptop with 8 GB of RAM? You need to increase the RAM, brother. Just make it 16 GB, and or if it is possible, make it 32 GB. right? You can increase the RAM in your laptop, rest all the things are fine. Is there any upcoming evening batch for CCNP? Will plan soon, right? Tomorrow there is a big announcement for people who want to learn networking from the scratch, from the zero, right? Who don't know anything about networking, even how two computers are going to exchange the packet, right? When we are sending any traffic between two pieces, what is happening behind the scene, right? If you are not aware about these all things like the GR, ARP, right, reverse ARP, and gateway, that means you need to start from the zero, from the scratch, right? And tomorrow sharp 5 p.m. sharp 5 p.m. there will be announcement on PM Networking YouTube channel, right? So if you are among the people who want to learn networking from the scratch, must join tomorrow live session at 5 p.m. right? There is a big announcement. We are planning everything accordingly, and today morning we'll settle it, and tomorrow 5 p.m. I will share with you through a live session. On your YouTube have a full playlist of SD-WAN? No sir, 30% contents are available on YouTube for SD-WAN. 30% content of SD-WAN is available on my channel, on PM Networking YouTube channel. You can cover there, but you will not find the policies for securities, right? Even I have uploaded the ZTP videos. See, earlier there was not a single video on ZTP on YouTube, right? I was the first person who had created video on ZTP process practically, but after my video now there are lots of video, right? But still videos on SD-WAN security concepts are not available on YouTube, right? Even I have not uploaded that. You will only find those videos in the course, like the advanced malware protection concept, the DNS security concept, right? The QS policy, right? You will not find the clear and crystal video on QS policy of SD-WAN on YouTube. No one has uploaded till now. Even I have not uploaded. Even some videos are available for everyone, like 10 to 15% content of SD-WAN is available publicly on my channel, and more than 30% content, you can say 40% content of SD-WAN is available for members, and rest 60 to 70% content are only for the course, brother, right? In the future definitely I will add some more videos, but I cannot upload everything, each and every topic on YouTube. You know the policy, right? There is one website, Graphy. If you are going to visit on the Graphy website, you will find my CCNA course there. Even you will find my videos, not the complete video, but whatever videos I have uploaded on the YouTube, you will find that. Even on Udemy, earlier there was a course of my CCNA. My CCNA course was there, but I didn't upload, right? So when I will upload the complete course on YouTube, definitely someone will download and will start selling. And in the future as well, I will not upload everything on YouTube, guys. YouTube is good to revise, right? Not to learn any technology. You cannot learn the complete technology on YouTube. You can revise the concept of SD-WAN. You can like if you are stuck somewhere, you can search video for that particular topic, you will find on my channel. But if you are thinking that day by day if complete course is available, you will not find that. In few playlists of SD-WAN, 7 to 8 videos are there, right? From the zero, from the scratch to till policies. Which policies? Control policies. Till control policies, 0 to control policies, you can find videos on my YouTube channel for Cisco SD-WAN, right? In the future, I will also upload some videos of Versa SD-WAN on PM Networking YouTube channel. The 30% content again. From each course, 30 to 40% videos are available. There is only one course which is available on my YouTube channel, like the complete video of that course is available on my channel, and name of that course is MPLS. I have uploaded complete MPLS videos on my channel. This is the reason why we are not selling MPLS course. You will not find MPLS course on my website even, right? Sometime some people are asking for MPLS course because membership features are not available in their country. Because of that, they are not able to access the MPLS video. So the same videos are available on my another channel as well publicly, like those are unlisted. People can access it through the link. So even in that playlist, there is few difference, right? Few videos are more there, but more than 95% videos are available on my main PM networking YouTube channel as well for MPLS. So you can learn and master the MPLS from the YouTube. The complete course is there. Nothing is missing, right? How to learn to okay. Hi sir, I got my CCNA. What jobs should I be looking? Knock, help desk, most help desk required MSAD. So learn MSAD as well if you have dream to become a help desk. But knock need. See, CCNA will not make you ready for job, guys. I must tell you this very clearly. CCNA will not make you ready for job in the production. You can get job. I'm not saying you cannot get job, but not in the core networking company. Your profile will be not on the core network, and until and unless you will not work on the core network, whether it is enterprise network, service provider, data center network, which type of network it is, doesn't matter. But until and unless you will not work on the network, you cannot grow your career. You cannot grow your career, right? To grow your career, doesn't matter what's your salary. Salary doesn't matter. The most important thing is your experience, the relevant experience, and how you will get the relevant experience until and unless you are not working on the core networking technologies. If someone is working on, let's say, SD-WAN, right? Their job profile is SD-WAN engineer or WAN architect. Even their salary is low today, right? Maybe they are working at 6 LPA. But 110% if they are working on the core SD-WAN technology, then 110% no one can stop him to get the package of once we are in the future. Just within 5 years, he can take their self to the next level. How I am saying this? Because I did same in my career, right? I achieved this. Today, I'm able to get 1 CR from the company, right? Reason? Earlier, before 6 to 7 years, I was working after learning NANP, but not on the core technologies, core networking technologies. That's why my career was not growing exponentially. But when I started working on the core network, my career started growing exponentially. Just 3.5 years ago, I had started my training career, and today I have more than 20,000 paid students. At the same time, enterprises, the top MNCs in the world are ready to pay me crores to work there, right? Corporate training, right? I have lots of offer for corporate training as well. So if I can achieve it, you can also achieve it, right? Even I know you are far better than me. My English was so poor, not able to pronounce any word properly. Technical skill was so basic. I had no confidence. Getting rejected in interview after interview, just 6 to 7 years ago before. But today, I'm able to crack any interview in any company because I have experience on the core technology. At the same time, I have knowledge, right? So CCNA, don't expect job, the real network engineer job after CCNA. MA, MP, you should have knowledge of firewall, you should have knowledge of SDN based solution, right? If you have knowledge of these all, then only you should expect job in the core networking company and on the core technology. And this is true. We cannot ignore it. We have to accept it. If someone is saying After CCNA you can get job. I'm also saying you can get job, but not as a network engineer, right? Even you cannot become a NOC engineer, network operation center. You can become the NOC engineer in related work, right? Your task will be not managing the enterprise network. No, sir. You will not have even access of the networking devices. No, sir. Right? So CCNA is not sufficient. Well, I am saying SD-WAN. SD-WAN means what, you know? SD-WAN engineer is a combination of 3 engineers. Automation engineer, traditional WAN engineer, WAN architect, and security engineer, right? SD-WAN is a combination of these 3 engineers. Company is going to replace one SD-WAN engineer by these 3 engineers, right? They are going to fire, first of all, automation engineer. Go, now we don't need you, right? So even automation is the future. Many of you already know that automation and AI, artificial intelligence, is the future of networking. But guys, even you are the expert in the Python, you are the expert in the Ansible, you are expert in the Python automation tool. It doesn't mean you have liberty to work as a SD-WAN engineer. No, you should have knowledge of networking, at the same time SDN based solution. This is SD-WAN engineer. You should have knowledge of automation as well, security as well, and traditional routing switching as well, right? Then you can call yourself SD-WAN engineer. At the same time, when you are enrolling for SD-WAN course, you are learning these 3 things. These all 3 things, right? It might be possible 30 people are watching. Few can be my existing SD-WAN students. They know this, right? They learn automation as well in my SD-WAN course. They learn cloud as well in my SD-WAN course. They learn SDN concept, the decoupling of control plane, data plane, the centralized policy, centralized configuration very well. And after that, playing with policies like a fish swimming in the water, right? Whoever have completed my SD-WAN course or NANP course, who have completed, not I am talking about the people who have enrolled, just enrolled. After enrollment, you will not get everything, right? Enrollment means what? Now you have liberty to join the live classes. You are allowed to join the live classes. You have to now complete the course. So the people who have completed my course are getting exponential benefit in their career. Day before yesterday, I was talking to one of my friends who is working in the Cisco in Bangalore. And he was saying, Praful, you are very popular in the Cisco. I said, how? How I'm popular there? And then he said, you know, I was talking with one of my friends there on 2nd floor in the building. And suddenly we see many people are saying, I know Praful, I am watching video, I had learned CCNA, CCNP there. Yesterday, even in the SD-WAN live class, I was taking SD-WAN lab class, there is one student who is working in the Tata Communication. And he said, Praful, you know, you are very popular in the Tata Communication. Everyone, every employee know you there. Reason? Few of my students are working there. You will find at least one of my student in every company, in every networking company in the India. Go to Cisco, go to SCL, go to Tata Communication, any networking company, and ask my name, you will find my student. And whenever someone is looking for NANP course, the people are referring them here to PM Networking. Go to Praful Mishra, he will teach you well. This is my success, right? And guys, this is why we are very passionate, very dedicated. Why we are working very hard. The fee of SD-WAN or NANP is what? 25,000 for NANP, 15,000 for SD-WAN. But we are connected with you 24/7. We are providing live training every day for 2 hours, providing the lab access remotely, complete study materials. If someone is doing lab in the night and they need help, they can reach to us. Message us, we are ready to help them. Why? We want them to suggest other. Right? And from this way only, right, if you will check, If I will show you, like in the future, maybe if it is required, then I will share my database as well, right? My team can show you the database, and you will see more than 75% students are enrolling from the other paid student, from the reference, right? Students are giving reference, go to Praful, he trained me well, after that I learned the technology, then I implemented that technology in my career, and now my career has started growing. If you will also go, if you will also enroll, he will also teach you, you will also learn. When you will also implement in your life, in your professional career will also grow. It is so simple. And guys, I'm coming live. You don't, many times you have seen this, not today only. I'm coming live from last 3 years. Only 1% people sometime putting the negative comment in the chat. Those are either negative people on the planet or maybe my competitor. Every time students are appreciating. Reason, I'm very honest about the course which I'm selling to you. Very honest. I know if anyone is going to learn the NANP, it will be beneficial for them to grow their professional career. Very honest. And my all team member know this. Even if someone is going to purchase the recording of CCNA and CCNP, which is made by Praful sir, and if they will complete that course, there will be a remarkable improvement in their technical skill. All my team members know this. That's why those guys are also dedicated, passionate. Otherwise, it's difficult to manage a team as well. Very difficult. But my team, even we are not talking our call or in the meeting, even the WhatsApp for a week, sometimes for a month as well. Everyone is working from their home. Like me, I am also working from the home. Those guys are also working from the home. All are network engineer. First, they are working for enterprises. The second, they are working for PM networking, like I am working. And they all know how important our course is for networking professional and how it is changing the life of many network engineers across 120 countries. Yes, we have students from more than 120 countries, guys. We have reached in just 3.5 years. It means what? It means there is something in our courses, because we are teaching the same thing which is helping us, right? If I am telling you to purchase the CCNA course, CCNP course, and it will help you in the career, that means it is already proven. First, I have learned it, I have implemented it, and when I started getting benefit, then I am sharing it with my subscriber, with my students. That if you are also going to learn it, implement it, it will be beneficial for you as well. You can also grow your professional career. And guys, more than 30 people are watching me, but only 15 likes are there. This is not fair again. Please hit on like button. Please like the video. If you believe in me, if you have belief, please like the video, so that others can also get benefit. Others can also understand the YouTube algorithm. If you are going to like, if you are going to share your feedback, YouTube will share it with others, other engineers as well. They can also find the video and they can also learn, they can also get benefit. If you are thinking, Praful, why I will help other? Always keep in mind one thing. I am growing my professional career, I'm growing my life, even I am able to measure the growth every year. And the real secret behind it is just one thing, the helping people. The day when you will start helping others to achieve what you have already achieved in your life will start growing exponentially. Trust me, right? So you should help others whenever you can help. When someone is requesting for the troubleshooting video or video on any interview question, yesterday only I had seen one comment on my YouTube channel. One guy was saying that, sir, I had received this question in interview, and question was very simple, like two sites are connected through internet, GRE is running there. So when users are accessing the another site server, they are complaining about the slowness, experiencing the slowness. But when we connect the WAN port directly in the laptop, then the speed is fine. The WAN link bandwidth is 500 Mbps. This was the scenario. The interviewer had asked him in the interview. Yesterday I seen that in the comment section, and I have added that in my future video, that whenever I will get time, I will make one video, I will record one video on this particular topic, means to help others. At the same time, from my video, when you are going to watch that video, if you will have knowledge about that question and answer, and if in any interview is going to ask you the same question, you can also answer, right? At the same time, we can help each other. And guys, if you are following the PM networking, even I will suggest you to reply other questions in the comment section. Whenever anyone is asking question in the comment section, and if you have the answer, try to reply them. Again, you are helping, and it will help you to grow your career. Understand, the PM networking is not social media. Here all like-minded people are there. People like you are connected here, right? Whoever are going to ask question is similar like you, are working like you in the company, in the enterprises. We all are network engineer. There is some difference between the PM networking platform and the social media. The open your Facebook, maybe your Facebook profile, right? Your Insta profile. We are connected with everyone, with your friends, your family members, relatives, in your Facebook profile. But at PM networking, Facebook page or YouTube channel, you are connected with engineers, real network engineers. This is the biggest benefit. Try to utilize it. If you will share answer to other questions, then others will also share answer to your questions. Suppose if someone is sitting in Delhi and he is looking for job in US, and same people who is working in the same company in the US is also watching my video, they can very easily help to the person who is sitting in Delhi. Just they need to communicate with each other. That's it. Sometimes you can put the question like in the comment section. Hey, is there anyone working in SCL, Noida? I'm looking for job there. Can anyone help me to get job there? And you will see the people will start commenting you. Just you need to develop the habit of sharing your question and answer. Everyone need to develop the habit. Right now, what is happening on the PM networking platform? I am the only one who is delivering the content. Right? I am not asking you to make videos. Just share your idea, question, knowledge, needs in the comment section. And if someone else is sharing, try to share your answer. This way you can help others, and if you are going to help others, it will help you to grow your career. I am also doing the same thing, right? We are living in an era, right? First of all, you should congratulate to the technology. At this moment of time, the entire world is connected together through social media, right? Just because of network only, the same network which you are learning in NA, NP or SD-WAN, right? Thanks to technology, it was not possible 20 years ago. See, 23 people are watching. Can you guys type your city name in the chat? Let me see from where people are joining me. Let me see. Can you type your city name in the chat? Let me show you something very interesting. Just type your city name in the chat. Gurgaon. Pankaj saying Gurgaon. I'm from Bangalore. Okay. Type your city name. Cambodia. Okay. USA. Okay. Madanpali. Botswana. Mumbai. Funny, please check your comment. Definitely I will check the comment. Don't worry, brother. Just wait. Pune. Type your city name in the chat. Just type your city name in the chat. For slowness issue. Funny, okay? I will check. Hyderabad. how to do programming on network. I will tell you. Just type your city name: Hyderabad, Bangalore. See, understand the power of technology. Someone is sitting in Bangalore, someone is sitting in Hyderabad, someone is sitting in US, someone is sitting in Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arab, Lucknow, Gurgaon, Jaipur, and we are connected, we are communicating, right? Don't you think that this technology is very, very, very powerful? Yes, very powerful. When people are saying that, Praful, is networking dying? Is networking dying? So guys, how networking can die? Is it possible? It is not possible. This is the technology. We worked for many years to make it possible. And now today only we have, just from last few years only, we have started utilizing the social media in this way, right? Like people are using it to learn, to teach, to talk. And some people have started talking about their end, right? So this is the beginning, brother. This is the beginning, right? The 5G is still pending and many things, the AI, these are the just a beginning of technology. Just see in the future, AI or any software, nothing is there who can replace the engineers. Whether it is network engineer, software engineer, any engineer, even software engineer will be required in the future as well. And it is in huge demand today. Day by day, the demand will be increasing for network engineer. Yes. Just I have asked, please share your city name. And I get to know from where people are joining me, from where people are watching me, and how they are able to connect from anywhere in the world. You can connect with people to just a single click. This is just possible because of technology, thanks to technology. So if you are not taking benefit of the social media, if you are not sharing your knowledge here, not making video, if you can make the video, that will be great. Great, you can create your own YouTube channel. Not for earning, keep the earning aside. Just to share your knowledge, to help people, you can create YouTube channel. If someone is thinking that, yes, I know CCNA very well, I don't know why you are not making videos. You should make videos on the YouTube, on the Facebook. Make your profile, start sharing your knowledge. Always keep in mind one thing, at any stage of life, we are here at the middle. We are here at the middle. And there are two types of people. Type 1, people who are below you, who want to become like you. And in case if you are thinking, Praful, there is no one who wants to become like you. So trust me, brother, everyone on the planet is unique. There are so many people who have dreamed to become like you. Whatever you have achieved in your life, if you are thinking, I have not achieved anything, no, you have achieved, sir. Just sit, close your eye and ask yourself, look at the below people. You will find, right? There are so many people who have dreamed to become like you. And the second type of people above you, who are above you, who have already achieved what you want to achieve in your life. Now you want to become like them. Always keep in mind, two types of people are there. We are always here. If you are thinking, I am too poor, no. Look at below. There are so many people who want to earn like you, right? There are some people who even don't have money to have a dinner, have a lunch. Yes, those people are also existing on the same planet, right? And if you are thinking, I am the expert when I am the leader, then just look up. See the billionaire. There are people who are running the company of, even this on the social media, the virtual company, the freelancers have the company of $1 million. Right? So you are here, and on the social media in this era, it's your responsibility to teach the people who are below you. It's your responsibility to teach them. Right? If you are not teaching them, you are not utilizing the technology. At the same time, you need to learn from the people who are above you. Say, hey, I want to reach there where you have reached in your life. Can you help me to reach there? I have dreamed to become like you. For an example, I have dreamed to become a CCI certified. I am already CCI certified, written. But, example, I have dreamed. I will search people who has expertise in the CCI, who cleared CCI exam multiple times, triple CCI, 4 times CCI, and now I'm going to request, hey, can you help me to reach there where you have reached in your life? And I'm doing same thing, guys. At the same time, there are people who want to become like me, right? For example, I am working as a network architect. There are some people who want to become network architect. It's my responsibility at social media to help them to become the network architect. And it's your responsibility as well, ladies and gentlemen, sir and madam, boys and girls. If you are on the social media, share your knowledge, right? So that's why I'm saying you should always ask question in the comment section of PM networking social media platform, and if others are asking the question, you should share your answer, right? I should be not only responsible to share the information here at this platform, right? We all are like-minded people. We all are network engineer. Some are very senior person, very senior. Yesterday in the SD-WAN class, there is one student in my SD-WAN class who has experience of, I think, 20 years as a network engineer, and now he planned to learn SD-WAN technology. I asked him, sir, why you choose PM networking only? Because there are so many other platforms who is providing training for same. I'm the young boy in front of you, right? Even you have more experience than me. You are like my father, sir. Yes, I am calling him sir. I said, sir, why you choose me only for your training part? He said, Praful, I watched some of your video on YouTube, and really it was interesting. And this is not about age, experience. It's all about, I need to learn SD-WAN. I'm looking for SD-WAN training. So I need someone who can teach me. And I found you, well, your teaching method is perfect for me. That's why I chosen your SD-WAN course. That's it. That hit me hard, guys. That really, the age not matter, experience, nothing matters. On the social media, if you are below, if you are looking for the below people, you have to teach, right? And if you need to learn, look for the people who have achieved your goal multiple times in their career, and they can guide you, they will help you. Definitely, if you are going to achieve something, you will respect that, right? Like, see, whenever people makes mistake while speaking English, have you ever seen others to laugh on your English who know English very well? Never, right? Only those people will laugh who don't respect. And if they don't respect, that means what? That means they never learned. If they have learned, they should respect, and definitely they will respect. So if you are going to request to your senior to achieve their goal, definitely they will guide you, they will help you. If someone is going to ask me, even on the WhatsApp, even they are not paid student, simple YouTube subscriber, even in the comment section, when you are asking question, within my capacity, within my experience, I try to share the best answer. Because I have learned these technologies, I respect it, right? It is not like if someone is doing mistake, I will start laughing. It means I don't have respect on these particular technologies. It means I never learned it. Now let me look at your comments. Few people are requesting to check comments. Just a minute. I'm checking your comment. Yeah, what happened? 1 minute, guys. मेरे पास Sir, I want to teach how to start. You can watch a video on YouTube. Like there are so many videos to create a channel, to upload videos there, right? Or you can start by sharing your knowledge, your experience, your suggestion, your feedback in the comment section of others' video. If you are on the social media, it's your responsibility, right? And be honest, guys. Always honesty is the best policy, right? The best thing to grow in the career is honesty, right? The most important thing. Always keep in mind this. Honesty means it is not about the selling something only. When you are learning, you should be very honest on that, right? If you have made a decision that you are going to perform the one lab every day for next 3 months, be strict on that. When you are sharing your answer on social media, be very honest. If you are selling something like me, I'm selling course. I'm selling courses on my social media platform, right? So be very honest and make sure your product is valuable. If someone is going to learn it, if someone is going to use it, that should be beneficial. After that, otherwise you cannot survive for long time in the industry. Otherwise you cannot survive for longs. If you are the honest, if you are the sure, see, if I am selling my CCNA course, I am very sure that people who are going to watch all the videos in sequence are going to perform all the labs which I have guided in the course. They will learn it very well, and if they will implement that in their career, it will grow their career as well. I'm very sure about this, very sure. Then only I am able to sell the course honestly here, right? Otherwise you cannot, until unless you are not honest. You know, if I know that this CCNA course is not going to help people to learn the modern CCNA, the today's CCNA 200301. So when I will promote that course on social media, when I'm going to say, you know, my CCNA course is ready. If you are going to learn, you will master the modern CCNA. Modern CCNA, 110% I will make mistake. Because I am lying. I am lying, right? If I am lying, I cannot be confident. How I am so confident? Because I am very sure about my course, that if someone is going to learn it, they will master the today's CCNA. Right? And it is applicable for everyone and for every product, whether it is course or any physical product or any other digital product. Sir, I am from the London watching your videos, and all videos are very impressing. You are my inspiration. Thank you so much, brother. Sir, I am also in the networking industry from 25 years. I'm also in the industry from 25 years, and your all videos are very helpful. It is changing the life of many network engineers. Keep posting your videos. Thank you so much, brother. Check your comments for the slowness issue. Where is your comment? Can you tag me or put it again? For the slowness issue, we have check with the ISP. If we didn't observe any latency or packet drop in the tunnel interface, why you will check that directly with the ISP, brother? First you have to check with your router configuration, right? The MTU of the tunnel interface. You have to check the CPU utilization of your router. You have to check the tunnel interface configuration, because on the tunnel interface router is going to perform encapsulation, right? So it might be possible that whenever exit interface is tunnel interface, router will perform fragmentation, and if the router will perform fragmentation, then there will be latency, slowness. So first you should answer with your WAN router troubleshooting, right? What can be the issue on your WAN router? Sir, I am working on non-tech 10 years and now I want shift on AWS plus CCNA. Great, fan top. Thank you. You are already doing great. Yeah, if you have, okay, you want to shift. So brother, just start learning from the CCNA. Start from the CCNA and don't say CCNA plus AWS. CCNA plus CCNP then AWS, okay? I think you are interested to become a DevOps operation, right? DevOps engineer, development operation. He is putting same content comment multiple time. What happened to you? No improving. I am very appreciate your English. Thank you so much. But you know, even English, I have learned the English just 2 years ago. Many times I told you I had started my training career just 3.5 years ago. If you are going to check my first video on the PM Networking YouTube channel, you can check. Go and check how was my English. I was not able to speak English. Not able to speak. Even I was not aware about how to pronounce the connect word. Whenever I need to say connect router 1 to router number 2, right? I was saying connect, right? It was incorrect. And from last 2 years, I'm improving my English, learning, right? Still learning. Here is, I have the book for grammar rules, right? All the grammar rules are there. Still learning, still improving. Today, as well, I know my English is not too good, but at least today I'm able to express my knowledge, right? I'm able to express my thought, my idea, my suggestion, my feedback, my experience. And that is the important, right? Not knowledge. How many of you are here to learn English from me? No one, right? You are here for my experience, my technical content only. So this is the reason why English doesn't matter for me here at PM Networking platform. Sometimes it matters in the production, right? To grow my professional career as an engineer. That's why I'm learning the grammar, right? And the communication. Thank you @Tech Review for your appreciation. With networking only we are connecting. Yes. Check my comment for the slowness issue. What is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. In the networking, we are using AI to detect or to predict the failure, right? Earlier, like we were using SNMP, remember, for the network monitoring. SNMP was alerting us that, hey, there is issue in the network. So nowadays, AI is doing that task, right? Even your SNMP is the old. Nowadays, we are not using, sometimes we are using, but in the future, we will not use SNMP. We are using telemetry, right, nowadays. AWS now popular. AWS is definitely popular, but not for the network engineer. AWS is for, at this moment of time, AWS is not for network engineer. For network engineer, you should have knowledge of cloud, right? If you don't have dream to become a AWS engineer, right, or looking for AWS certification, then it is not for you. Better to learn the cloud, DevOps, which is the most important for you. Learn the automation, AI tools, automation tools, SDN based solution, your SD-WAN, SD-access, ACI, segment routing. Ujjain sir, I am working on non-tech. Okay. Hi sir, does AI impact on network engineering? Again, same question. No brother. Sir, all domain are afraid of AI. Not domain afraid. Only engineer, few engineers afraid, right? As a network engineer, if you are not going to learn the AI, then someone, so same network engineer only, not the AI expert. The other network engineer who is going to learn the AI will replace you, right? Do not need to afraid from the AI, guys. If you are talking about the war, that through AI, what will happen if any company is going to attack on my country, in our country through AI, that is secondary thing. But if you are thinking about your job replacement by AI, then don't worry, right? AI cannot replace the job of engineer. Oh my god, what happened? I was checking your comments. Funny, if you are going to put same comments again and again, then we'll block you from the channel. Even you cannot find a single video. Right, there are so many people here. So just put your comment once only. And if I will block you here, you will not find any video on PM Networking YouTube channel. You have to get another account with another mail ID. How SD-WAN works in the multi-vendor environment? I seen for ISP with multi-vendor, they provide their own solution, automation and case automation, AI, these all things, these all tools are already integrated in the SD-WAN. In the Cisco SD-WAN, these all tools are already integrated. The same tools we are learning in the SD-WAN course. Hello sir, I want to master subnetting from the scratch. Great, watch subnetting video on the PM Networking YouTube channel, read the article or go through the official Cisco books, solve the official questions, and this way you can master in the subnetting, right? But until and unless you are not going to open the book, just by watching the video on channel, you cannot become the master, right? Yes guys, you cannot become the master just by watching the video. For that you have to read the article, you have to solve the question, you have to go through the official books. Sir, you are genius. 7G Media, thank you so much for the appreciation. I am not genius, just learning the technology at the same time teaching as well. I am following your video clip and want to learn CCNP. Great, congratulations. Bye, I watched your OSPF type LSA types video and it's very good. Thank you so much Siva Kumar for the appreciation. Sir, is AI going to take down networking job? No. How to do programming on network? You have to learn the script, right? Start learning the script from the basic configuration like IP configuration on the router, enabling routing protocol on the router, right? So try to perform these kinds of configuration on router through basic Python script, right? I'm from Angola. Thank you for sharing. Srinivas, you are my member. Hi sir. If you have any question, put your question here in the comment section and you are the member from the long time. Thank you so much for joining the PM Networking family. And if you have any question, then put it here in the comment section. I'm going to reply your comment. Srinivas, sir, I have good knowledge for CCNA and NP, but I have no practical knowledge. Please advise me. Start configuring the protocols, right? Get hands-on, set up the lab, packet tracer, GNS and EVNG, and start configuring, right? You can have good hands-on within 1 to 2 months. For each and every protocol, you can design and configure the lab. Sir, please guide me. I have CCNA. Now I should do CCNP in core or S core or both. You need to do CCNP in core and NRC. In core and NRC first. CCNA, then CCNP in core and NRC is the mandatory for every network engineer, right? Because here you are going to learn enterprise network at professional level, right? When you learn CCNA 200301, CCNP in core and CCNP NRC, that means you learn enterprise network at professional level. And after that, based on your interest, you can choose any technology. But again, after that, I will suggest you to go for SD-WAN and any next generation firewall. I have been following your MPLS services and practicing all the lab. I would love if you see my lab in Git. I didn't get you, brother. I'm able to understand you till here that I am following your MPLS services and practicing all the lab. After that, what is your concern? Please repeat. Sir, I study BA political science, but I work desktop support engineer in a startup company. And when I study CCNA and I got network engineer jobs. No, after the CCNA, I already told you that don't expect job after CCNA course. सर हिंदी में भी बैच होता है क्या? नहीं सर, हिंदी में कोई बैच नहीं होता है. I am not taking the Hindi batch. There is another trainer who is taking classes in Hindi as well. Arun is there, Puneet sir is there, Amit sir is there. These trainers are taking classes in Hindi, and often you will find their batches, right? But my all batches are in English only, because students are enrolling globally, right, from the globe. Even in the current SD-WAN batch, there are some foreigner and some Indian, right? So I cannot speak Hindi there. So you cannot find my course in Hindi. Even if you are looking for CCNA Hindi course, then I have a separate YouTube channel, PM Networking Hindi channel, right? Search for PM Networking Hindi. You will find my Hindi channel, and the CCNA playlist, CCNA videos is going on there, right? I have uploaded 9 videos in the CCNA playlist, and those all are in Hindi, okay? Those are only for Indian guys or whoever know Hindi and want video in the Hindi. Again, my recommendation is to learn in English, right? Guys, 31 people are watching, 22 likes. Why 22 likes are there if 31 people are watching? Please like the video. This is a request. Like the video. You are saying only, right? Your videos are helping me in the comment section. Then support the channel, right? If you are going to like, that means you are supporting this channel, supporting me, at the same time helping others to find this channel. Sometimes people are saying no one can teach networking like you. But subscriber wise, there is only 80,000 subscriber per. Why? Even 80,000 is huge for me. It's a lot for me. But I am not expert in the SEO part, like how to upload the video so that we can float around the world, right? So that we can rank it, Whenever I am uploading the video, just I am putting the title, thumbnail and the description, which are relevant to the topic. That's it. So this is the reason why I'm asking you to like support this channel, keep sharing your feedback. If you will share your feedback, YouTube is going to promote it to more network engineers. They will also discover something new, right? And few people can find it helpful, right? They start learning from here. Even I can do the SEO and those all part also, but that is time consuming, right? I don't have time, guys. Whenever I have time, I'm utilizing most of the time to create content, to learn the modern technologies. Right? Every day, my 10 to 20% time, I am spending 10 to 20% time in learning, 10 to 20% time to share my experience, and whatever time we have now, those are again divided into two parts. One is my live class, that is the major task. Every day I cannot skip it, and the another is my work as an engineer. But every day I am learning something new. Every day in the night I am asking this question to myself, that Praful, what you have learned today, is there anything change in your skill from yesterday, or your skill is same, the yesterday and today there is no any change, no any improvement? Every day I am asking this question to myself while sleeping, before sleeping, right? You can also do this. You should also ask this question to yourself every day. What's your goal? What you want to achieve in your life? If you are looking for job change, this is an example, then ask this question to yourself, in which company you want job. You should have a list of companies where you want to see yourself. These all will help you to get more interview calls, to clear the interview, right? So talking to yourself is important and is the proven method to grow exponentially. Sir, what AI tool should I learn as a network engineer, and what book should I read to improve my knowledge? Brother, CCNA and CCNP, AI is already in your CCNA and CCNP syllabus, right? So you need to learn the modern today's CCNA and CCNP. Go download CCNA and CCNP syllabus from the Cisco website and check all the topics, right? Calculate the percentage, that how many percentage of topics are clear to you and how many percentage of topics are not clear to you, right? The AI topics, automation topics are already there. Just a minute, guys, getting one call. Hello? Yeah? Yeah, you can. You can, but I think उसके लिए आपको एक बार कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा मीटिंग में, मैडम पर्सनली एक बार कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं मीटिंग में कल मॉर्निंग टाइम में, एंड वहाँ पे भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। अरुण को भी बोल देना कनेक्ट कर लेने के लिए। हाँ अरुण भी है, हाँ तो बेटर रहेगा, बेस्ट है, बेस्ट। ओके 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 एक्चुअली मैं यूट्यूब पे लाइव हूँ बाय सो hi I am learning Fortigate firewall Fortigate firewall and I am understanding good sir thank you so much for sharing your feedback and see guys for the Fortigate especially I must tell you I will only continue this course I will only complete this course on YouTube if you will be keep sharing your feedback for that playlist you have to share your feedback in each and every video right the how was the session whatever improvement is required if any topic is not clear to you whatever concern is you have to share that in the comment section right then only I can complete the Fortigate firewall playlist right and till now till day 2 I have seen people are sharing feedback in day 3 today I have published the day 3 video as well and I will check your feedback today night or tomorrow morning right and I'm expecting you guys are sharing your feedback there as well right so keep sharing your feedback regarding Fortigate firewall in the comment section and I will try to complete this course as soon as possible and if language and topics is not understandable or not clear to you anything then also you can let me know in the comment section I will repeat the topic but you have to share the feedback so make sure you will be keep sharing the feedback hi sir do we have any SD-WAN lecture series from scratch to advanced I am very much interested to learn it from you so yesterday I have started a new batch of SD-WAN brother Prasad Paras Sony yesterday I have started a new and fresh batch of Cisco SD-WAN you can enroll there and this is weekend batch so you will have classes in weekend means on Saturday and Sunday duration of each class will be 2 hours we will meet live for 4 hours every week for next 2 to 3 months at the same time I will also provide you the lab access where you can test the technology whatever technology we are going to learn in class right so it's a golden opportunity for you if you want to learn from the scratch today is the second class at 8 p.m. at sharp 8 p.m. we'll start the SD-WAN class and today only I'm going to start the SD-WAN technology yesterday was just the introduction like the objective I talked about the objective yesterday I talked about the cloud integration like how my traditional WAN was not designed to handle the cloud traffic and how SD-WAN is designed to handle the cloud traffic, SaaS traffic, software as a service, right? Yes, traditional routers was not designed to handle the cloud traffic. That's why it was difficult. And this is the reason why SD-WAN is so popular in the market today. This is the reason why more than 75% enterprises are using SD-WAN technology and rest are also moving. Right? Today's SD-WAN is much more about replacing MPLS. Today's SD-WAN is not just all about replacing MPLS. It was the same earlier, 5 years ago. And SD-WAN is not new technology now, guys. Even I had learned SD-WAN in 2022, 3 years before. And today I am teaching. Until and unless I am not getting benefit in my professional life from a particular technology, I'm not teaching that. I know the Windows server as well, the Active Directory, right, the domain controller, those all things. Even I can make video on those all topics, even the vCenter as well. But till now, it has not helped me a lot to grow my career exponentially as a network engineer. This is the reason why I have not made any video on VMware. I have not made any video on Active Directory on the Windows server. The day I will get exponential benefit from that learning, that technology, I will start teaching you and I will start recommending you to learn that. Right? So I am teaching only those technologies which are helping me to grow my professional life because I know if you are also going to learn it, it will help you also to grow your career exponentially. right? So is it clear? Paras Sony, hope it is clear, right? If you are looking for SD-WAN course from the scratch, then my new batch which has started yesterday can be the life changing for you. It can be life changing because guys, SD-WAN is the real game changer for network engineer in 2025. If you will ask me, Praful, tell me the one course which can change the life of network engineer, then my answer is SD-WAN. SD-WAN and automation. Automation and AI, these two are the future of network engineer, and SD-WAN is the future of WAN, wide area network. So after SD-WAN, you can become automation engineer, you can become SD-WAN engineer, you can become WAN architect, right? So many doors will open for you. Who should learn SD-WAN today? And guys, even I am not sure how beneficial it will be in the future. Like if someone is going to learn SD-WAN in 2026, 2027 or in 2030, I'm not sure about that. What I am telling you? I am telling that I know how it is beneficial for network engineer in 2025 today. This is the right time to master SD-WAN technology, right? Which is the future of WAN, wide area network. B, hi sir, hello. Sir, how much money, sir? For which course, brother? Hi, bro. And to check the fee of any course, visit pmnetworking.in. pmnetworking.in is my simple website, guys, where all the courses are listed. Here you can check the details, like when the batch is starting, right? Who is the trainer? And you will not find me as a trainer in every live batch, right? There are multiple trainers. But right now I'm talking about my SD-WAN batch, right? I am the trainer in that batch. And fee also. Fee, and at the same place you will find a button to enroll, to buy the course, right? You need to pay the fee. As soon as you will pay the fee, we will be receiving your details, because before enrollment on the website it will ask you for some information like your mobile number, your mail ID and your address. Why address? It is required in future. Maybe if we will plan something for our paid students, so we need address, and this will make our database strong, right? This is the reason why we are collecting the address of our paid student, right? Even the at least the city name, right? From which city they are enrolling, right? So you will fill this information and then you will pay. As soon as you will pay, you will be receiving one call from my team. You will be receiving a call from my team as soon as you will enroll on the website on pmnetworking.in. And guys, if anyone is interested to purchase the course, you should only purchase the course on website if you are not getting any issue there. If you are not able to pay, you can reach to WhatsApp and team will help you. They will give you the bank details or maybe the PayPal or maybe the Razorpay. You can pay there, no problem. But at that time, you know what will happen? You have to ask to team to create your account on the website and add that particular course under your portal. But if you are going to enroll on website, these all things will happen automatically. Automatically that course will be added under your portal, and in that course only you will access the study material, recording, right? Whatever resources we are providing for that particular course, you will access that directly on the website. You don't need to ask to anyone. Even if you are paying on the website, the team is going to give you the resources, all the resources, the same resources through WhatsApp, or maybe on the website only they will add the course under your portal manually, but you have to ask, right? So make sure you will enroll on the website only if you are not facing any issue. And before paying, must verify, right, that you are paying at the right place, because so many other websites are there where people are selling my course, my CCNA course, sometimes my CCNP course also, but mostly I have seen the CCNA course on the Graphy, on some other sites, right? You will only find few videos, and those videos are very old, my 3 years old CCNA videos. There is no any logic of watching 3 years old videos today in 2025. No logic, guys. Today's syllabus, CCNA syllabus is updated by Cisco, right? The technology has changed. Okay, so make sure you are buying the course at right place. You are talking to the genuine person, right? All of you already have my WhatsApp number. In case if anyone don't have my WhatsApp number and you need WhatsApp, you can ask me. Otherwise, just go to pmnetworking.in, which is my website. There you will find the WhatsApp number as well, or I can put the WhatsApp number here in the chat as well. Hi bro, I am working as a network engineer there, and I am managing the checkpoint firewall and F5 load balancer, but I don't have any routing and switching knowledge. Can you please guide me how I can improve? Yes, I can guide you how you can learn NANP, and you should go with NANP only. Start with NA, CCNA and then learn CCNP. सर फ्रीलांसर नेटवर्क इंजीनियर को कोई हायर नहीं कर रहा है, क्या करें? बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं, मैं भी कर रहा हूँ. क्या आप बात कर रहे हो ब्लॉग श्याम? मैं भी फ्रीलांसर नेटवर्क इंजीनियर को हायर कर रहा हूँ. इफ यू नो एनीवन यू कैन refer to us, right? We are looking for freelancer network engineer, right? There is one training requirement in the Africa, in Zanzibar, right? So you should have passport, and company will arrange the visa for you, and your skills should be at next level, right? You should be very good in the teaching and should be very strong technically, then only will hire you. Freelancer, to become freelancer, guys, you have to become expert only, right? Freelancer is not easy task. The expert one can only become the freelancer, right? We are troubleshooting. Freelancer are providing the training on real-time labs, real-time networks. Freelancer are solving the real-time issues in the network, troubleshooting. Even I am planning to create one software where the real network engineers can find a freelancer who can help them to troubleshoot the issue, right? At the time of working, when people feels demotivated, right, feels low confidence while troubleshooting issues in the network, we know this. Troubleshooting network in the production is critical task. At that time, there are so many engineers who need support, right? Even we are receiving queries many times, right, for the real-time support, but we don't have that feature now, and we are planning to add that feature in future. I am planning to create one software, right, for networking services, right? Even if anyone is interested in business, you can start a business with me. I am also interested to open a corporate company for network solution, right, network services. There is a small startup, but we can start. If anyone is interested, then also you can connect with me. I am also interested. We can sit, meet, right, and discuss more. I have told this in many video, many live. Paraswani, I watched many of your videos of yours. It was a good explanation and understandable. Thank you for your video. Yes, Paras, I told you my new batch of SD-WAN has started yesterday. If you are looking for the SD-WAN training, where you can explore everything from the scratch, where you can learn from the 0 to advanced level, then you can check my course on pmnetworking.in. Sir, then what I do to become a network engineer? CCNA, CCNP, SD-WAN and any next generation firewall. Sir, I am working central government employee in networking field, but I don't have CCNA and NP certificates. Can any networking company apply? You can apply for a job. The certificates are not required, but in some company, in few company, it is required, right? So you can check the job description of the company before applying, right? How you guys are applying for job? How you guys are applying for jobs? First, find the company where you want job and check their job description, their technologies. Based on that, create your resume, prepare your description, and then apply. If you are blindly sharing your resume on Naukri.com, LinkedIn, right? On the Naukri.com and LinkedIn, you will find more than 80,000 SD-WAN jobs. More than 80,000 SD-WAN jobs are available on Naukri.com and LinkedIn. But those all are true? Genuine? No. Right? Hardly 20,000, 20 to 30,000 SD-WAN engineers are required, guys, in 2025. Yes, this is true, 100% true. 20 to 30,000 SD-WAN engineers are required in 2025. There are many enterprises who are looking for skillful SD-WAN engineers who can manage their policies, who can manage their WAN devices, their SD-WAN softwares, controllers, because SD-WAN engineers are very limited. That's why demand is huge in the market nowadays. 10 minutes before I had seen 30 like was there, still 30 like. So when I will ask to like the video, then only you will like, guys. Please like the video if you have not liked till now. Yes sir, you can apply for job in the company without having CCNA plus CCNP certificates. Sir, this Fortigate course will be enough. Yes, this Fortigate course will be enough to pass the exam and to work on Fortigate firewall in the production, because I am going to teach you each and everything in this playlist. The only one condition you have to share your feedback. If you will be keep sharing your feedback, I will be covering everything of Fortigate firewall, like the NAT, VPN policies, whatever topic we have, the advanced routings. Hi sir, can I start my career in networking at the age of 34, or should I start with cloud DevOps? Please give me some roadmap. Yes, you should start from the networking, brother. Don't go for cloud directly, right? Your networking skill will help you to master the cloud as well, right? And if you don't have the networking knowledge, even if you learn the cloud, you got the job, but it will be difficult in future to grow your career, because in future you will learn the another technology. At that time it will be difficult to learn, right? So but if you have the good strong command on the networking part, you can understand any technologies very easily. So networking skill is very important, and you should start from the networking. Kumar, hi. B, how much CCNA certificate? CCNA, Cisco is going to charge you 30,000, around 30,000 for CCNA certificate. Hi sir, can I start? At the age of 34 also you can start your career in networking. Please guide me, sir. Nidhi, how I can guide you? How may I help you? Please tell me. Josh, thank you. I love your content. Thank you so much, Josh, for sharing your feedback. Gaurav, hi sir, can I start my... Yes, Gaurav, you can start your career at the age of 34. You can start learning networking from today. To master a network security, should I more focus on CCIE module rather than learning and giving more focus on routing and switching in the CCNP level? You should focus on CCNP security and firewall to master in the security. Your way of explaining every topic is superb. Chandra Prakash Mishra, thank you so much for sharing your feedback. Subhas Rai, hi. Any planning for the Velo Cloud SD-WAN? No, I don't have any plan for Velo Cloud SD-WAN now, because few knowledge about the Velo Cloud SD-WAN. Sir, I have issue. I don't have any job. I have experience in desktop support, IT support. I have done CCNA certification, but I didn't get any job regarding to the network engineer profile. So analyze it, why you are not getting job. Where is the issue? You are not getting call, or you are not able to crack interview, right? If you are not able to crack interview, learn the technology again. If you are not getting call, right, then check your resume, check the way of applying for job, how you are applying, right? Search for some engineers who are working in your dream company, ask for help to them, right? Involve yourself, you can get job, no problem. Not global certification, right? So you can go for global certification as well. PCTOI, hi. How to integrate networking with AI? You don't need to integrate AI in the networking. AI is already integrated. You need to learn the tools and technologies. Hello sir, I like your video a lot. I want to go for cybersecurity. Can you give me some content to learn? Start from the CCNA, brother. Sir, network engineer minimum qualification, please tell. There is no any certain requirement to become a network engineer, right? If you have the graduation, it will help you to get job in top MNCs like the Cisco, Juniper, Google, Amazon, right? But there is no any requirement, right, of the degree to become a network engineer. Anil, hi sir, hi. Sir, network engineer minimum qualification, said hi Pani Grahi. Sir, I want to join your Palo Alto course from your videos, but I don't have practical ENS3 lab setup. Should I enroll? You can enroll, but you have to set up the lab if you don't have. Right? What is this question, Manish? Sir, please also reply on my comment. What was your comment, Rajiv Kumar? I have already replied, I think, to your comment. Let me check once again. I'm not able to find your comment, Rajiv, here. You can put the comment again if you think that I have not replied. Sir, we are unable to access your videos. Which videos, brother? Some videos are for members only, so definitely you cannot access those videos, right? For that you have to become member. Good evening, sir. Neeraj, good evening. Very good evening. And guys, that's all for this live session. Again, I am requesting you, if you have not liked the video, then please hit on like button. If you know any one who want to learn networking, you can share this channel with your friend so that they can also get benefit. And remember one thing, if you want to learn networking from the zero, from the scratch, if anyone is there who want to learn networking from the scratch, even they are fresher or working professional, but they have not learned NANP and the networking from the scratch, want to now learn from the scratch, then there is one big announcement on my PM Networking YouTube channel tomorrow 5 p.m. Tomorrow 5 p.m. there is an announcement for those who want to learn networking from the scratch, from the zero. So make sure tomorrow 5 p.m. you will be available. About my SD-WAN course, I have started the new and fresh batch yesterday. Today is the second class, and if you are looking for SD-WAN course, then you can enroll and you can be the part of this batch, and you will meet live today 8 p.m. sharp 8 p.m. Right before that, team will add you in the WhatsApp group if you will enroll, and where you will be receiving the link to join the live classes, the recording, and complete study materials, even the lab credential to access the lab. And who should enroll for SD-WAN? Who should enroll for the SD-WAN? I want to learn, but I don't have engineering. What I can do? Who asked you for engineering degree, brother? I never said engineering degree is required. Who should enroll in SD-WAN course? First of all, guys, NA&P student. NA&P student who have completed their NA and NP, definitely they should enroll in SD-WAN course. Second, the people who are thinking that I am stuck in the industry, I am working at same position for years without growth, definitely they should enroll in SD-WAN course. Third, the freelancer network engineer. If you are the freelancer, you should also learn it and master it. You should join my course, right? So if you are among these three types of people, you can enroll yourself. But if you are enrolling, make sure you are clear with NA and NP, routing and switching. Okay, that's all for this live session. Again, I will come and meet. I really love to talk to you guys this way, right, through the live session. You guys are asking questions, appreciating in the comment section. It is really motivating me, and every day in every live session, whenever I am finishing the live session, right, my energy level is like at next level. Sir, next live video tomorrow 5 p.m. I will come live for the announcement for those who want to learn networking from the scratch. Today there was 2 announcements in the live session. One, that tomorrow is the big announcement for people who want to learn networking from the scratch, and the second about my SD-WAN course, that yesterday I have started a new batch of SD-WAN. So maybe tomorrow 100% I will come live at 5 p.m. and after that again day after tomorrow I can come live if I will have time. Whenever I take break from my work, if I have time, I love to come live here, right? And this way even I fall in love to talk with you guys through the live, right? Through the live streaming like this. Sir, I am currently working as a voice over IP network support engineer on this technology. Which course I should learn for better future? Brother, for better future, it doesn't matter. No, first you have to start from the zero. First you have to learn CCNA only. It is not like that DevOps is in demand, automation is in demand, AI is in demand. I am going to learn the DevOps. I am going to learn the cloud. You cannot learn. You cannot learn the cybersecurity directly, right? This is not choice. This is not option. You have to learn NA only. I am asking of CCNA, but losing interest. Yeah, if you don't have interest in the networking, like he said, Jinbo, if you don't have interest in networking, then guys, take one step back, choose any other industry. In this industry, in networking industry, you can only grow if you have interest, right? If you have interest, then only you can grow. Otherwise, there is no other way, right? So while learning CCNA, if you feel that I am not interested, right, like he said, I am losing interest. So if you are not interested to learn the technologies, then you should not waste your time. Even you can learn it, you can get job as well, but you cannot live a life which you have imagined for yourself. You cannot get your dream job. You cannot be in top 1% people at the end. Because see, if we are going to spend our 30 years in one industry, then what we are expecting? We are expecting that at the end, when we will be leaving this industry, at that time, I should be in top 1% globally. That is the need, right? That is the requirement. That is the expectation of everyone. Even that is the expectation of myself. I want to be in 0.01% at the time of leaving this industry, leaving my job. When I will retire from the job, at that time I want to be in 0.01% people. And you can only reach till there if you have interest, right? When people ask to me this question, that Praful, which is the most important thing I should consider before decided to make career in networking? I said always my answer is your interest, right? I fall in love with networking, and this is the reason why I achieved this whole thing. I have so many friends who have learned the technology, who have started working, but later they changed their field, right? So this is the right time, brother, for you change your field, right? Don't waste your time here. You cannot grow without your interest. Hi sir, can you explain the difference between VRP, HSRP and high availability on Fortigate? Thank you so much. Definitely I will cover these all topics in the upcoming videos, brother. The VLAN, trunking, will cover everything. Don't worry. Sir, what I need to do, as I have 3 years experience and I want to change my job, what not getting interview calls? If you are not getting interview calls, update your resume. To update your resume, update your skill, right? Just like as I told you, 30 to 40 lakh, sorry, I'm saying lakhs, 30 to 40,000 SD-WAN jobs are available on Naukri.com, on the LinkedIn. Globally you will find around 50,000 jobs available right now for SD-WAN, right? So you can add SD-WAN technology in your resume to get call. Simple. Sir, after 12th, how to build with my career in networking? After 12th, you can again start learning CCNA. See, there is only one path. After graduation, after engineering, or after 12, doesn't matter when you are starting, but you have to start from the CCNA, which is the associate level, the fundamental of enterprise network. Then you will on the professional level in the CCNP, and after that, based on your interest, you can choose any technology. But nowadays SD-WAN is again becoming the compulsory course, like NANP. SD-WAN is also becoming the compulsory. Next generation firewall is also becoming compulsory course. Earlier I was saying compulsory, there are 2 compulsory course, NANP. Nowadays I am saying 4 compulsory course. NANP, any next generation firewall, and SD-WAN compulsory. NANP will take 3 to 4 months. SD-WAN and firewall will take again 3 months. Total duration 6 months to master from the scratch. Okay. So bye bye guys. Thank you so much for liking the video and sharing your feedback in the comment section. Many people was appreciating YouTube videos. Thank you everyone. I have seen there was so many members. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all the members to becoming the part of PM Networking family, for your support, for joining this live session. We'll connect again. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Few more comments. I have 1 year of experience in networking, but for the last not Sanket. If you are not interested in the networking, then change your field. If you are interested in the networking, then only you can grow here. Have you made a video on Palo Alto? Yeah, complete Palo Alto firewall series is available on the channel. You can check that. Please reply. Okay, Manish. Palo Alto firewall playlist is there on the channel. You can check that. And guys, bye bye. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining. We'll connect again and we'll talk more. Tomorrow, 5 p.m., big announcement for people who want to learn networking from the scratch. SD-WAN, new and fresh. My batch has started yesterday. Today is the second class, and today I am going to start the SD-WAN technology. If you are still thinking to enroll, visit PM Networking and enroll yourself. Let's meet live at 8 p.m. Bye bye.